Hey there, tech lovers! Today, we are diving into the world of the Sony Xperia 1.6. It's not just a smartphone, it's a piece of art that Sony has crafted with passion. So, let's get interactive and explore this beauty with the excitement it deserves. Welcome back, my friends! You know, it's not every day that we come across a device that truly makes us pause and appreciate the finer things in tech. Well, today is one of those days because we have the Sony Xperia 1.6 with us. Just look at this design. Sony has taken elegance to a whole new level. The 6.5-inch LTPO OLED display is a window to a world of vibrant colors and deep contrasts. And with a 120Hz refresh rate, every tap, swipe, and scroll is as smooth as silk. Imagine capturing the essence of this bustling city with your phone. That's where the Xperia 1.6 triple camera system comes into play. It's like having a professional camera in your pocket, ready to seize every moment with stunning clarity. Now, let's talk about staying powered up. With a 5000 mAh battery, this phone is like that friend who's always ready for another adventure, no matter how late it gets. And when you do need to charge, the 30W fast charging has got your back. And the colors. Whether you're into the classic black, the sleek platinum silver, or the unique khaki green, there's a shade for every personality. It's like choosing the perfect outfit for a night out on the town. So there you have it, the Sony Xperia 1.6, a phone that's not just about specs, but about experiences. It's about capturing life's moments, staying connected, and expressing who you are. If you're as excited about this phone as we are, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the world through your lens, and let the Sony Xperia 1.6 be your guide.